My name is Kainton Tech Pro, and today we are going to continue with question 28 on our machine learning question and answer series. And today's question actually will be a very brief one. What are odds or odds ratio in logistic regression? Now, odds is another way of representing probability, which can be derived from rearranging the logistic function. Already you know what the logistic function is all about. So, unlike probabilities, odds take values from 0 to infinity. Now odds take value from 0 to infinity, while probability take value from 0 to 1. The value of odds that are close to zero shows low probability, while the value of odds close to infinity means high probability. So basically, is about the same thing with probability, just that a different representation. So now remember that the logistic function has it that p of x is equal to e to the power of beta 0 plus beta 1x all over 1 minus e to the power of beta 0 plus beta 1x. Okay, so if we go ahead to rearrange this function, we'll get the odds ratio. So basically, we can multiply both sides by b to the power of x. So we have 1 minus e into the power of beta 0 plus beta 1x equals e to the power of beta 0 plus beta 1x. Okay, so I would like to represent e to the power of, let's e to the power of beta 0 plus beta 1x be x. So have p of x into 1 minus x, okay, equal to x, right? So if we multiply out, we have p x minus x p x equal to x, right? So what I'm going to do is to this time I'm going to let me try to let's see, multiply or divide both sides by x. Divide both sides by x. So I have p to the power of x over x minus p to the power of x is equal to 1, right? So now have p to the power of x over x equal to 1 plus p to the power of x, all right? So if we rearrange this equation, we'll come out with something like x into 1 minus p into x is equal to x. So that will end up giving us something like x is equal to p to x all over 1 minus p to x. So that will give us, if we rearrange it, then we can replace this value with x. So we have e to the power of beta 0 plus beta 1x equal to p of x all over 1 minus probability of x. So basically, this is the derivation of the odds ratio in probability, or just call it odds. So basically, I've mentioned odds range from 0 to infinity, where a value close to 0 indicates low probability, while a value close to infinity indicates high probability. So I'm going to stop here, and the next question is going to be, how is neural network related to classification and regression? So I'd like to remind you to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and also I'd like to thank you for viewing. Also leave a comment if this has been informative for you.